Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your CSAB ranking. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and after that you see this link, you have to click on it, and after reaching the website you have to scroll down below and you will see the section of College Predictor. Click over here and select the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for CSAB Counselling, and the course I want to do, for example, let's say Bachelor of Architecture, BArch. Click on Find Colleges. After that you have to enter your rank along with your course name, reservation category, state and gender. For example, my rank over here is 1300. This is my course name, this is my reservation category, this is the state, and this is my gender. Click on check results. So you can see that there are in total of 4 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is the list of all those colleges given down below for me. And if you want to know more about the college and the course, you have to click over here, and you can see that you will be given all the information regarding your course fees, your admission process, your results, reviews and cutoff, placement, ranking. Everything will be given over here on this page, and you can download all the information by selecting on here brochure button. And if you want to see colleges according to your specific preferences and type, you have to select the button of filter, and you can filter out colleges according to the state, your city, your year, your cutoff quota, substream, degree type and category, and apply those changes, and all the colleges under your preferences will be given for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other question, you can comment down below or visit the Collegedunia website.